Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken broth at home. First, gather your ingredients. About 3 to 4 pounds of chicken bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, and an onion. You will also need a large stock pot, ideally an 8-quart size or larger. This foundational step ensures you have everything ready for a rich, flavorful broth. Roasting your bones beforehand can add a wonderful depth of color and taste to the final product. Now, combine all your prepared chicken bones, vegetables, and aromatics in the stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring it extends at least 1 inch above the solids. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low. For the first 60 minutes, carefully skim off any foam or impurities that float to the top, ensuring a clear broth. The key to a truly flavorful broth is a long, slow simmer. Allow your broth to cook gently for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 12 hours for maximum flavor extraction. Remember, a gentle simmer is crucial. Never let it come to a rolling boil. You can add 1 bay leaf and about 10 whole peppercorns during this stage. Resist the urge to stir often, as this can make your broth cloudy. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, it is time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the solids. Allow the rich, golden liquid to cool completely to room temperature. Then, transfer your homemade chicken broth into airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.